Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, welcome back to my kitchen. Today's video we are gonna have another cooking video. I'm gonna make a vegan pizza. If you watched my last vlog from the last month, then you saw that I was cooking one and it was so delicious that I just wanted to share with the recipe with you guys. It's very achievable, very easy, just a few ingredients, and if you prepare everything, you just need to put everything together, put in the oven, and it's done. It's not much of work, just the preparation is a bit like chopping too much if you want a lot of vegetables on it, or you know. Anyways, I really hope you enjoyed this pizza. If you do try, let me know down below what do you think about it. So let's start the cooking. Okay, so first we will make the dough because it does have to stay for 1 hour in a like kind of warm place, so it kind of so all you need for the dough, I will leave specifically all the recipe down below, but you will need sorry, the English side, all-purpose. Oh no, this is self-raising. Anyways, I don't see much difference when I cook with self-raising or all-purpose when it comes to pizza, so I'm gonna use today self-raising flour. You will need some salt, dry yeast, we need some brown sugar, and some olive oil also, and of course water. So yeah, let's start. So first we will do the yeast mixture because we do have to leave it for 5 minutes to sit. 5 minutes. So we will take like a small bowl. I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of sugar, just like 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of dry yeast. Teaspoon, I'm sorry. I'm saying tablespoon when it's actually a teaspoon. So this much. And then we just need about 1 cup of room temperature water, just slightly more warm than room temperature. So just 1 cup of water. I've made some coffee before, so now it's like perfect temperature. And we just add this water inside this mixture and just mix all together. Then we just let it sit for about 5 minutes, and yeah, while that is sitting, we're just gonna take a big bowl and we're gonna put 2 cups of flour. So about 2 cups. So just 2 cups of flour we put in the bowl. Then we add 1 tablespoon. Again, tablespoon, girl, this is teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of salt. And just mix all together. Nothing too crazy, too difficult. I'll remove my ring because we will have to use our hands for this to mix it. So make sure you wash your hands before doing this. I mean, make sure you always wash your hands before cooking. So now 5 minutes has passed and we will take that yeast water, just add right inside the dry mixture. And first, just easy, slowly mix everything with a fork. Make sure there's no bubbles, nothing. So when the mixture is mixed like this, it's very like gummy and just stretching. We will add some olive oil, 1 teaspoon of olive oil. And now we will just use our hands to mix all together. So make sure your hands are nice and clean. It is very sticky. When you do this part, just make sure you put all your love inside this dough. That's when it's gonna become really, really nice and tasty. I mean, all the food, if you really put your love and heart inside it while you're cooking, you're not angry, there's no bad vibes. The food is just gonna end up delicious. Really mix inside that oil. and then you can slowly try to like just put it in a one big bubble. Just remove the excess dough from the fingers and stick back in that dough so we don't lose a lot of dough. And make sure it's like nice and all together. Then we will just leave it for about 1 hour to let it like rise up. We will put some towel on the top and keep it in a warm place. Just make sure it's not hot place and it's not very cold. It's just like a warm, cozy place. So now it's time to prepare our sauce. Also the same like the dough, it's really important to make your own sauce. I mean, that's my opinion. You can buy in the store, but trust me, if you're gonna make it at home, it's gonna be 10,000 times better than if you buy in the store. I tried it to make it at home. It's just so easy, just so simple, but it gives such a good flavor to the pizza. So just try it to make it at home, and trust me, you will not regret it at all. So all you need for the sauce is a can of chopped tomatoes. Basically, this is the basic ingredient you need for the sauce. The rest is optional, whatever you like to put inside. For me, I'm gonna put some garlic powder, pepper of course. I'm gonna put some dry basilic and some paprika powder. And just for, instead of salt, I'm gonna put a vegetable bouillon, like salt. I mean, I'm sure you guys know what is this. And I'm gonna put some fresh garlic and fresh onion and a little bit of green paprika, also fresh one. So I'm gonna take the blender cup, this is like a medium size, right in that cup pour all that tomatoes. You can add a little bit, tiny bit of water inside, just to like take all, there's no water. Just to take all that greatness from inside. And like this. Then I'm gonna put 3 garlic cloves. I like it super garlicky. That's also optional. I'll put a little bit of fresh paprika and a little bit of chopped onion. Just a tiny bit. Chop it in not very small pieces because it's all gonna just blend. We're gonna add some crushed pepper. And the amount of the spices also, it's optional. How much you like it. I'm just putting it like on my eye. I see how much I put it, how much I want to put it, and I put it, if you know what I mean. Some dry basilic. Of course, in the best option is to put it fresh, but I don't have right now fresh one. I just had the dry one. A little bit of garlic powder and some paprika powder. Then we will just close it and blend it all together. And the sauce is ready. That was that easy. Yes. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Smells so good. While we're gonna do the dough, I'm just gonna put this aside. So 1 hour has passed, and as you can see, this is our pizza dough. It's like a very like nice and fluffy. What we're gonna do, we're just gonna take some flour. We're just gonna sprinkle a little bit on a table, wherever it's easier for you to make this dough. So we'll put a little bit on the side also, so in case we will need on the dough. Before we do that, I'm just gonna prepare the baking pan. I'm gonna take my big ass baking pan. I'm gonna take also some aluminium foil. You can take baking sheet, silicone mat, but right now all I have is this, so that's what I'm gonna use. Just gonna put on the pan. Now I'm gonna take that nice dough, kind of like a ball, half of it, like this much, and start to like play with it on this flour, kind of slowly. If you want, you can do it with the wooden roll, if you know what I mean. But for me, I think the best thing when it comes to pizza is doing it naturally with your hands, putting all your love in the pizza dough, creating your own shape, you know. I love that pizza don't have like a regular shape, it's like different shapes, kind of, and that's what we're going for now. Just gonna try to spread it nicely. Before putting the dough on the pan, I'm gonna put some olive oil on the foil, just so it's nice and crispy and it doesn't burn. You're just gonna spread it with the hands. Very carefully, we'll take this pizza dough and try to put it on the... Okay. There you go, baby. You can try to spread it a little bit also on here. Just like this. I'm gonna turn on the oven, 180 degrees, the regular degree amount that you usually put if you're baking some breads, some cookies, some doughs, some whatever. And now we're gonna put some sauce on the pizza. Then I'm gonna put some veggies on the top. You can prepare anything you want. For me, I like paprika, I have tomatoes, I have pickles. I love pickles on my pizza. I have some mushrooms and of course onions. So yeah, we will put this on my pizza. Then I'm gonna take my organic vegan cheese. This is hearty grated cheese. I did try this last month for my vegan pizza and it was pretty good. It's not that bad, so that's what I'm gonna use today also. And there you have it. Now we're just gonna put it in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. We'll see. Just check on it all the time if it's not burned and if it's nice and crispy. I'm gonna put it in the oven. Yeah.
A few moments later.
After 15 minutes, I will say 15-20 minutes, our delicious pizza is ready. I just cut it in nice pieces and put, okay, I got it also wanna try it. Now we're just gonna try it. I just love how this cheese melts and makes it a little bit like, so hungry, wet. Guys, I'm telling you, you have to try this pizza. I'm telling you. Make the sauce at home, make the dough at home, put some nice veggies on the top, and you're good to go. This is so good. Potato likes bread a lot, so I'm going to give her a little piece of crisp. What you looking at? Looking like a fella, yeah. Can you use the finger, yeah? Now I'm out here wildin' with my niggas. So yeah, that was it for this today's video. A quickie pizza recipe. I really hope you guys will try this. It's really so delicious. I know it's a bit maybe struggle to find a cheese in your area because it was definitely for me. Other than that, try it. It's so delicious. Get it. Thank you. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know down below if you have tried a vegan pizza or if you're gonna try this, if you did try it, and let me know how did you like it. And yeah, I hope to see you on my next video next Sunday, and let me know also if you would like to see more cooking videos. And yeah, I'm going to finish my pizza. Bye.